morning, everyone. Here's Marty and Morris waiting on me in the van with the license plate off, ready for pickup. Here you go, guys. Good morning. Hi, Morris. Hi. Hi. Good boy. Marty, go eat with Morris. Well, we did not see any signs of frost, but we did get down to 35 degrees. So I really didn't have a choice but to cover, but things seem fine, which is what we wanted. Well, it's a few minutes after 11 and I'm worn out. Have not heard from the guy coming to pick up the van, and I've got my calls coming through and my volume up and my sound on and ring off. So haven't heard anything yet. I've got everything put away, the sheets, the clothespins, the trash cans. Well, they're on the side of the house, but they've been brought in. I blew the parking pad and the vehicles and all the places we sit and walk. I did not do the whole driveway. Supposed to have a chance of rain Friday afternoon, so I will do the driveway before the chance of rain picks up. Sam's due at 12:30, so I'm gonna go do the video now. Hopefully when Sam and I go out, we'll be able to go to the DMV, call State Farm, the UPS store. We got to pick something up at Walmart, and probably Guardian Angel before we come back and have steaks. So it's just another cram-packed full day. And oh yeah, I haven't done the water out here yet. I need to do the water and put the food on the front porch. I'm not quite done with my chores. I got about 5 more minutes. Whew. Well, I ditched the jacket. It's warming up. Don does want to finish up with the shredder. I mean, he's really close to done over there, because it's not going to be too hot today. A little hotter tomorrow. Kind of really hot Friday. Then we got a cold night again. Yeah, we've been on a real yo-yo. Real roller coaster.
Hey.
It's just all calm over here today.
Oh yeah, it's pitch perfect.
Right, Donnie?
Yeah.
It's been so we've completed all the tasks except for reviewing the documents.
And it's not ready yet.
Right, and that won't be ready for the Cybertruck delivery. So
That's
we're golden. Yeah, it took, the insurance took finesse and the bank routing stuff took finesse, but it's sorted now.
Yeah.
It's sorted now. And Sam is here, and let's see, I fussed at people with the pickup company.
Yeah.
Well, you don't tell a housewife you're going to be there in a window and keep her waiting around when she's got
shopping.
Well, I got stuff to do. I told the guy I got stuff to do with my college kid. I need to go. He said Dawn can handle it. And I said, you have a much happier housewife now. I am now no longer upset. If it's Dawn's problem and I can go shopping, well, you weren't leaving the house anyway. So, yeah, Sam showed up and things have been hectic. But you have petted all the cats, right?
Yeah.
And we are going to go do stuff like drop off the license. I'm more sad about the Photomom license plate than I am about the van leaving, I think. I'm not happy about losing my license plate, but that's okay. Photomom doesn't belong on the Cybertruck.
That's right.
So, and yeah, we got errands to run now. Errands. Including small engine oil for the chipper shredder. Briggs & Stratton. I have a picture. I have an aisle number. I have a UPS box dropped off. License plate dropped off. Got a receipt over here at Walmart. I got the small engine oil that Don asked for the chipper shredder, and a couple of flats of Impatiens and cat food. And there might be a metal trellis in the middle row, which is why the wing is up, because, you know, I needed a place to put them. Be yourself, because everyone else is taken. And stress is just dessert spelled backwards. Gotta appreciate the artwork in here and the sayings, all the sayings. Looked over at this candle holder and I said, you know, that kind of reminds me of one of the scenes out of the original Superman movie where there's needs a little more green tint. Or here, we can set it in front of this one and maybe it'll pick up the green a little bit. I'd like to take both the smaller ones and the larger ones, but they're just marked too much for used. Hey, look, it's a Let It Snow mat. Let it snow somewhere else. The slow saunter.
He took his time.
Yeah, we had nice steaks and potatoes when we got back from town. And watched the first episode of Paradise with Sam. And Sam's fixing to head out and Don's fixing to go shred for a little bit. He should have a decent enough window. I've put food in his stomach. You look like a little boy off to school with your tape measure suspenders. Cute.
Thank you.
So I'm working on my building for a little bit. It's 7:30. I think Don's going to have to stop soon. He's still out there with the shredder, but the light is definitely fading. You can see that he's been putting mulch over here now. Whoops. Trying to zoom in for you. So this piece is finished now. I got the decorations put at the top of the windows and the roof piece on and finished the chimney and put away some parts that came in the mail. God, I don't like it when sellers use a heat thing to seal pieces in. It doesn't cut good and no, I don't like it. They're good pieces. I'll deal with it. There's only a few sellers that do that and it's just not my preference. But anyway, this piece is all done, and I fixed a couple things that weren't right, and the little icicle pieces that are here are no longer white. They're now the color they're supposed to be, and I got one more, maybe two more. This section here is what's up next. I'm going to stick that other piece back where it goes.